Take a ride in the 2016 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, engine immobilizer, driver illuminated vanity mirror, wheel covers. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.